Hello students, my name is Himanshu Kumar Pardi. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on topic benzimidazole. So here I think my topic benzimidazole. As you see the benzimidazole name suggests, it is made from the benzene plus imidazole. So what is benzene? Benzene plus imidazole gives benzene imidazole. What is the structure of benzene? As you see that this is the cyclic structure and it is combined with the imidazole. Imidazole, this is the pentamone ring and here nitrogen is attached and this is the benzene and this is imidazole. When they join in the presence of nucleic acid, it forms this compound. So this is known as the benzimidazole. Okay. After that, if we want to make the benzimidazole derivatives, that is the different functional group. For example, I will attach different group to this. So this is the benzimidazole, and I will connect in this methyl chloride. Okay. Sorry, methyl chloride in this. So as you see here is the okay. So how we connect? We connect with the presence of AI, which is used as a catalyst, and solvent is methanol or as ethanol. We can also use. Okay. So it will give the product. Wait a minute. I will make the product. As here you can see that this here is the H group is attached. This HCl will remove and combine to create a form here, and this will give the this make the compound known as benzimidazole derivative. What is the function of benzimidazole? Benzimidazole is mainly used as the antifungal activity. As we also know that this is used for the anti-PPI drug. What is PPI? PPI is the proton pump inhibitor used mainly for the when there is a gastric or the when HCl is secreted in our stomach. They for to get relief from that we use this benzimidazole. Benzimidazole. Okay, benzimidazole derivative mainly used as omeprazole. Okay, and after that, if we want to synthesize many more compound, we can do this by this method, or if you want to know whether my compound is made, so we can go for the different analysis method. For example, we can go for the IR method, NMR method, mass spectroscopy to understand if the my structure has been formed or not. So after the confirmation, we know that the compound is made. If we want to do the AI tool used in this for making the molecular document studies for ADP reduction, we can use the different AI tools. Okay. For example, if we use the molecular docking method for knowing the binding property of a molecule, as we know that in the lock and key method, we use the key to opening the lock. Okay. In the same way, we use the drug molecule which we are going to make. This will help to bind to the target. Target is where the our drug which has been made. For example, here the benzimidazole is made. This benzimidazole is act as the target organ which cause, for example, they cause the fungal infection. To treat that fungus, we have to use the benzimidazole derivative. By knowing the molecular docking, we can know the score. The score, if it is above the -5, then we can show this gives the good result. But if the result has been below 5, -5, then it will show the negative result. Okay. After by knowing that this compound confirmation, by knowing the docking score, we can know that the compound which has been made is best for the antifungal work. Okay. And after, if we want to use for the biological evaluation, we can go for the another method, different biological method. For example, if we go for the antibacterial property, we use the microdiffusion method or the Petri or many more method has been established to know the biological. We can also go for the anti-inflammatory by using the RADCO method, by which we can inject the mouse in the leg, and after knowing the potential of the mouse how it can survive, we can know there the anti-inflammatory property. Okay. And after that, if we want for the ADME prediction, we use the Protodoc software. Protodoc it gives the result on the basis of the Lipinski rule. Now here we can know what is Lipinski rule. Lipinski rule nothing but it show the what amount the product has been made. For example, it is Lipinski rule mainly says that the product should has the molecular weight 500 Dalton and log pH value is less than 10. Okay, and hydrogen bond acceptor and hydrogen bond donor both have to be less than 5 or equal to 5. Okay, this is the four rule which mainly works on the ADME property. ADME is what? ADME is the adsorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. This defines the if the molecule is 500 less than the 500, then it is an R based molecule and it should be have the log pH value. And log pH value, what is the lipophilic value? Lipophilic, what is the all react with the body lipids. For example, here this is the membrane of the cell. There is the two things in this membrane. One part is head and another part is the tail. Okay, as you see, this is the head part, this is tail part. Head part is mainly for the hydrophilic property. Hydrophilic means what? Hydrophilic is water loving. Okay, and what is lipophilic? Lipophilic is the lipid state is the lipophilic. So when the drug has to enter the cell membrane, and we have to enter the cell membrane, the drug has to pass the one hydrophilic layer and another is the hydrophilic layer. Both we have to pass. According to that, we have to make the formulation according to that. Okay, this Lipinski rule tells how it will perform our activity of our drug. And there is many other methods for knowing the conformation of our drug molecule which has been designed. If you want to get advanced tool, for example, you can go for the Schrodinger. If you know about the Python program, this will teach you all the MD simulation, help in the deep knowledge. This is the QSAR model. For we have a study in our syllabus only the SAR, structure activity relationship. What is the role of different functions? For example, chlorine attached, light group attached, or the CO group, ketone group attached, or R group attached. What is the function? But the QSAR gives the deep results that the all these molecules bind deep inside the target organ. And what is the value and binding properties? How much it binds? So this is the exact image we are giving by using the QSAR method. There are also many other methods by which you can get the perfect result. If you want to learn more, please contact me. Okay, thank you.